Morning children, hope you all are fine, enjoying at home and following all the guidelines given by the government to save ourselves from corona, isn't it? Now we are going to revise this GK subject because our GK portion is completed. So we are going to revise this. 1 second. See, here are some clues, my dear. We have to read the clues and write the answer. We use this to go up and down in the building. And what we use? We use this. And what is the picture? Stairs. It is very easier for us to go up and come down with the help of stairs, isn't it? Now see, here are two pictures and two questions also. We use this with our mobile, and this is earphones. You can see me wearing earphones while making the video, and we see it in the sky after sunset. And these are stars. My dear, actually stars are always in the sky, but due to sunshine, sun is so bright that due to the light of the sun it is not seen in the daytime, but at night time, when after sunset the sun is not in the sky, we can see the stars in the sky. See here, dark glasses to protect the eyes from the sun. And which dark glasses we use, my dear? Goggles. When we walk in the sunshine, what happens? Sometimes our eyes shut down itself. It is very difficult to walk in bright sunny day. So we use goggles. It helps in front of our eyes. It is not so shiny. We are wearing the goggles. It looks cool and calm, and we can move easily. We deposit it in the bank. I will show you later the picture also, and it is our savings. Whatever we earn, my dear, we are having some expenditure in fooding, lodging, education, rent, different expenses are there, and whatever is left over, this savings, where we keep it? We keep it in the bank. We use this to cut paper or cloth. And what we use? I will show you the picture, and that is scissors. Wait. We use scissors to cut the paper or cloth. Now I am showing you the picture of goggles. See here. This is the picture of goggles. Next is the picture of money, and this is our saving, my dear, okay, which we deposit in the bank. This is money, but what we deposit in our bank, that is the saved money, whatever we are able to save from our expenditure. So that is called our savings. Now we will see the next picture, and this is the picture of scissor. We use to cut cloth or paper. Now we will go to the next questions. See here, which monument is built in commemoration of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers? And the answer is written here. But do you know the story of this? During First World War, many Indian soldiers lost their life. Okay? And in their memory, and in 1971 there was a Bangladesh Liberation War. Actually, Bangladesh was the part of Pakistan earlier. When India was divided, first Bangladesh, Pakistan, all was the part of India only before 1947. While going, the Britishers divided our country into two parts. That is India, known as Hindustan, and Pakistan. Okay, and Bangladesh was the part of Pakistan. Later in 1971, Bangladesh was also divided from Pakistan, and our soldiers were needed in that. Many of our soldiers gave their life, and in the memory of those soldiers, this monument is built. Now, where is the India Gate located? And India Gate is located in New Delhi. And there in the evening you will see, like picnic only the scene is, many people gather there to enjoy. What is the another name of India Gate? And another name of India Gate is Indian Army's Tomb. Why it is Indian Army's Tomb? You know, my dear, because it is built on in the memory of Indian armies who lost their life during First World War. Actually, the leaders of our country, who were the freedom fighters that time, didn't want to participate in the World War. But we were under the British control, and they used our soldiers. Why do animals make sound? Very good question, because all of you continuous make sound, and you make sound to talk with your friends, isn't it? Unending gossip. Like that only animals also make sound. Animals actually don't make sound, they don't always gossip, they talk only when they are in need, but they make sound to communicate with their fellow animals. That's why you will see same type of animals are having same type of sound. Like we people living in one area, suppose in Bihar we are mostly talking in Hindi. If you will go in Maharashtra, people they are mostly talking Marathi. Like that only, means according to the place our means language changes, but according to the animals their talking or sounds changes. Some animals roar, some bleat, some squeaks. So these are the sounds which animals make to communicate between their fellow men with each other. Who was the founder of Indian National Army? And Subhash Chandra Bose was the Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose was the founder of Indian National Army. This is the picture of Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. Which freedom fighter played a great role in the integration of in the integration of 500 princely states of India, and the name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played, means what was this integration, you know, to unite. During the war of independence, we had to unite ourselves so that we can fight with the British government. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the person who united it. That's why he is known now also. And this is the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And you know, he has also got a nickname, and that is Iron Man. Thank you, my dear, and you all will do your work in very neat and clean handwriting. And first of all, what you will write? HW and date. Okay, and then in very neat and clean handwriting you will do your homework you will prepare PDF and send to me along with the homework of that day. Thank you.